So, hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are appearing for BitSet examination session 2, but here is the important update for all of you. Many of you may miss the date. That's why I'm informing you, and also I will inform you about the exam pattern and difficulty level of second session, and based on that, what will be the cutoff expected for this year for all the iteration of BitSet counseling process. So, please try to listen my words. Here they have already provided the link to apply and fill the preferences by providing your class 12 detail, and that will be available up to 2nd of July. And here you can check the detail as well, all the branches they have provided. And once you find the date, here earlier they have provided the iteration 1 2 date, but now they have removed that, but because they will change the date. So preference and program submission date is from June 5 to July 2nd. Once you miss this, you will miss whole counseling. Even if you will get 300 or 350 marks, no one can provide you BITS admission. So it is important to apply before 2nd of July, on or before 2nd July. Thereafter there will be a edit option in marks and preferences. If you want to change the preference, or if you want to change the class 12 marks based on the improved score or anything, you can do that. There will be 2 days window. As per my experience, I am telling you, last year they provided like this year also they mentioned earlier, but now they have removed. So they will provide you 2 days window, that is from 3rd to 4th July, you can see, or 5th to 6th July, like this will be there. And thereafter the iteration will be done. Admitted list and waitlisted a student. Once all those students will get the seat, they are called admitted list. If you will not get the seat, you will be in waitlisted. For that also you have to pay some amount, that already I have discussed in my step by step video regarding the BitSet counseling process. You can check in I button as well in the description box. So these are the update, and if you want the guidance how to fill the preference, what should be the best preference for you according to other outcome, if you are doing JOSA counseling, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSCET, Manipal, VIT, Comet K, AEEE. So we have to consider everything. Then you can decide what should be the best order. So for everything, I will be guiding you. Once you register with my guidance, there is a very nominal charge for that. You can check the description for all the details. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BitSat, Comet K, AEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit.